high RPM finance niche, free AL tools, and viral faceless channels. Today, you're about to discover something powerful. In the previous video, guys, I showed you a finance niche channel. And while scrolling on YouTube, I found another channel that is basically a copy of it, but still making serious money. This channel is growing fast, and the niche is finance, which has a very high RPM. If we talk about its earnings, right now it is making around $1.8K per month from the US audience, and the content style is exactly the same. It uploads long-form videos, uses the same type of character in every video, follows the same consistent niche, and builds videos just like the channel I showed earlier. The channel name is Bob Invest, and currently it has around 84.2K subscribers with only 114 videos, which is very impressive. And yes, this niche is 100% monetized. This channel you are seeing is completely based on artificial intelligence content, and YouTube promotes it. Why does YouTube promote it? Because the RPM in this niche ranges from $8 to $20, which is one of the highest RPM niches on YouTube. If you start working in this niche, I'm telling you, not just you, but even your future generations can earn from it. So today, we are going to create the same type of videos using free AI tools. We will generate images, we will generate videos, everything step by step. So without wasting time, let's start. For you, I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt. This master prompt includes everything, 5 steps, including video prompts, image prompts, character details, and complete structure. You will find the link in the description. Simply copy the master prompt, then paste it. First, go to step 1, copy that part, and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will generate 10 finance video topics for you. From those topics, choose the one that looks the most engaging. After selecting the topic, copy it and paste it again into ChatGPT. If you want to go back, open the prompt box again, copy the remaining steps, and paste them into ChatGPT. Then click Generate. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you all 5 steps, including image prompts, video prompts, voiceover lines, and a consistent character. So guys, this section is complete. Now let's move to the next step, which is image generation. Today I will show you 2 tools, so don't skip the video. The first tool is ImageFX, which is currently free and very powerful. Simply come here, log in, then copy your character prompt from ChatGPT. Go back to ImageFX and paste it. Then go back again, copy the scene prompt, and paste it here. Now click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start generating. Within a few seconds, you will get a beautiful and professional result. If you don't like this tool, I have another option for you. The second tool is Nano Banana AI. Search for it and open the website. You will see an option. Get free credits when you sign in. Click on it, then choose Sign in with email. Now here's the trick. Do not use your personal email. Go to a temp mail website, copy the email, and paste it here. Click Verify, copy the code from temp mail, and paste it back. Once verified, you will get free credits. Now click on AI Text to Image. Choose Nano Banana Model because it is free. Now copy your character prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, then copy the scene prompt and paste it as well. Click Generate. Within seconds, your image will be ready. You will notice that the character is consistent and looks very professional. Click Download, wait a few seconds, and save the image. Repeat the same process for all scenes. If your credits finish, go back and click on plus 20 credits, then check in. You will get more credits and can continue generating images. Follow the same process again and again. As you can see, all images are generated with the same consistent character. No changes. Very clean and professional. Now your image section is complete. Next step is video generation, and for that, we will use another free AI tool. I will also provide its link in the description, so you simply have to open KIE AI today. The tool we are using for video generation is KIE AI. It is a marketplace where you can find all AI tools in one place, like text to image, image to video, video to video, audio editor, lip sync, image generation tools, music generation, and chat tools. You get everything here. So guys, I will give you the link. Just open it and log in. You can log in with any Google ID, but remember one thing, it does not work with temporary emails, so you must use your personal email. After logging in, you will see different tool options. Simply click on Image to Video. Scroll down and you will find Google Veo 3. just click on it. As soon as you click, Google VO3 will open. On the right side, you will see multiple character options, around 18 characters. Using this, we can easily create videos. First, you need to select the model. Choose Veo 3.1 Lite for the best results. It gives almost the same results as Veo Fast, so there is no major difference. Select it so your character works properly. Now in the Start Frame section, upload your first image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy Scene 1 video prompt with voiceover, and paste it into the prompt box here. Next, select the ratio. This is very important. If you want short videos, choose 9:16. If you want long videos, choose 16.9. I personally recommend 16.9 because long videos have higher RPM compared to shorts. Now simply click on Generate. Your first video generation will start. It usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, but mostly it completes within 2 minutes. Today, again, we brought a completely free AI tool for you through Skill with AI. But your response is very low compared to the effort we put into these videos. If you are new to the channel, go and watch previous videos. I have shared many free tools that are still working. Now, as you can see, the video is generating and will be ready shortly. Let me show you the preview. So guys, here is the generated video.
You think saving money is making you smarter, but what if it's actually the trap keeping you broke?
Just preview it and see how beautifully it has animated with voiceover. Now simply download the video and save it to your computer. Then repeat the same process. Upload the next image as the start frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene prompt, paste it into the prompt box. Select the ratio and click Generate. Your next video will start generating in the same way. After this, I will show you how to increase your credits for free, so do not skip the video. As you can see, the second video is now generating. Unlike other creators who skip steps or don't provide prompts, Skill with AI gives you the complete, real process, step by step, so you can actually earn from YouTube. Now the second video is ready. Preview it and see how beautifully it shows the character collecting and saving money. It looks very powerful and professional. Simply download it. Now, as you can see, I have around 20 credits left, but video generation requires 13 credits. So what I will do is open another browser and repeat the same process. Go to Image to Video, open Google Veo 3 again, upload the image, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, select ratio 9:16, and click Generate. When you click Generate, it will ask you to sign in again. You can choose Sign in with Google or Microsoft. After logging in, you will get fresh credits. As you can see, I now have 18 credits added. Now I click Generate again, and the next video generation starts. After a short time, it will be ready. Let me show you the result. So guys, here's the next video result. Preview it. It looks very beautiful, professional, and powerful. Now download it and repeat the same process for all scenes. So guys, this is how you generate videos. You can also use alternative tools if you want. After generating all videos, create a channel like this. You can even change the character by asking ChatGPT to modify the outfit. And one more important thing, AI-generated content does not have copyright issues. Even if you create multiple channels like this, you will not get copyright strikes because the content is generated by artificial intelligence. Now upload your videos and watch how your earnings start growing within 1 month. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel.